We have come a long way from when we used to beat each other on the heads with rocks, to now these modern days where we have amazing and powerful weapons invented like missile-striking drones. Number 8. Faxon Sentinel 16-inch 8.6 BLK AR-10. The Faxon Sentinel 8.6 BLK AR-10 is available in 8 or 12-inch pistol and 16-inch rifle. It is a part of Faxon's Summit line of streams backed by Faxon's lifetime guarantee that features a 7075 billet aluminum receiver set, G3 aluminum streamline, M-lock handguard, an impressive 1-2-3 twist modified beginner's profile barrel, the 9.33-pound rifle with the new 8.6 BLK muzzlelock muzzle device with a length of around 36 inches is optimized for supersonic ammunitions instead of subsonic ammunition, which requires adjustment on the rifle for optimum performance. Number 7. Springfield Armory Hellion. Up next, in order to redefine the perceptions of semi-automatic 5.56mm performance, Springfield Armory has come up with the new Hellion with a unique approach to firearm design. The Hellion features an overall length of 28.25 inches with bullpup configurations when the situation is situated behind the trigger. The Hellion is also featured with a 16 inches barrel and is also modified to accept the AR-15 magazine. Further, it has 2 positions adjustable gas block with S-suppress and N-normal modes to adapt to ammo availability and conditions too. Number 6. Forward Defense Munition L5 Caseless Ammo Rifle. With many military armies hoping to change the analogous weaponry which is widespread, the Forward Defense Munitions has come in handy to invent the L5. The rifle operates with an electronic group which provides the flexibility of fire and controllable trigger pulls. The efficient design allows for practical battery operations, which enabled the L5 to fire 15,000 shots per charge. The loading blocks are stacked into a magazine, extending from the rifle's sight, which is automatically advanced as they are emptied. This rifle can fire in semi-automatic, full auto, or all 5 rounds simultaneously. With this new invention, the military is sure to move to a whole new level. Number 5. SRM-1216. The SRM-1216 has an overall length of 33.75 inch with a standard 18.5-inch barrel. It has a rotary flexible detachable magazines that can hold 8, 12, and 16 rounds of either 3/4 or 3-inch shot shells. The rail combined with a 3-phase handguard rail offers the shooter a wide option for lights, sights, and mounting optics. Besides, the roller delay action provides reduced felt recoil and fast cycling. The M1216 is the best semi-auto shotgun which is reliable and dependable. The M1216 can be easily set up for left or right-handed shooters with its switchable ambidextrous receiver and controls. Number 4. Marushin Cop 357. Now, let's say hello to Marushin new Cop 357. The Cop 357 has a weight of around 494 grams and a length of 440.5mm, and 4 barrels instead of 1, each of 6.08mm in size. The Cop breaks open to allow you to load 4 of the big 8mm BBs to each hop-up of each hole, even though it can only fire 4 times. The Cop 357 is not only small, but also high-precision quality built. Number 3. Henry U.S. Survival Rifle AR-7. Equipped with the adjustable rear sight and the blade front sight, the Henry U.S. Survival AR-7 comes in 3 models: black, true timber Canadian camo pattern, and true timber fiber western camo pattern. This weapon is lightweight at 3.5 pounds and has a length of 16.5 inches. No surprise! It is chambered in .22 LR, so you can carry a large quantity of ammunition without much weight to your gear. Number 2. Kalashnikov AK-103. The AK-103 weighs about 3.6 kg with an overall length of 37.1 inches with the stock fully extended and 27.6 inches with the stock collapsed along the side of the receiver. The weapon is chambered for the 7.62 x 39mm standard Russian cartridge and has a barrel of about 16.3 inches in length. The firing is gas-operated with a rotating bolt from a 30-round curved detachable magazine. Amazingly, it has an outstanding aiming range of 1,000 meters. Number 1. Angstadt ARM MDP-9. The Angstadt ARM MDP-9 weighs in at 3.7 pounds with an overall length of 14 inches. The barrel has a length of 5.85 inches. The patent-pending roller-delayed actions of the MDP-9 reduces the weight and recoil of the gun. This makes it one of the softest shooting subguns on the market. Surprisingly, its small features makes it easy to comfortably carry it around in a sling or a backpack. Subscribe!